So this is another interesting piping technique that's called as Fleur De Lis. So you have three different sides of shells piped, and it looks really like an English piping that you could do on the sides of the cake, and where it involves like a lot of piping, putting the cake's design together like that. Now here in the angle, I have mentioned three different, obviously, then you could see how three different shells come together in this. So it's one plain shell with a broad head and a tapered tail, and then the other one comes like I'm going to do one simple twist to do the left side, and this is going to be on the opposite side. Okay, so that's how it's going to be. Let me do one. So 145 is towards you, and here you could tilt your hand to your right side, and for the other side tilt it on the other direction, and then you could do. So you could do one on top of whatever I have done, and this is another template. So the actual Fleur De Lis looks like this, and you could just Google. There could be quite a few different images that you will find which all looks like this. So you will do one on top of the template, so I'm just doing one twisting here, and here again I'm just going to do one simple twisting. You don't have to do like, don't make bigger turns and bigger circles. One simple twist, just about, in the same place, just a simple twist will just do the trick. So you finish this entire row. Now I'm just going to do on the white space. So you will do without any guideline one simple twist on the left side and then on the right side, and then you have the Fleur De Lis piped. A broader head, okay, so you have the beautiful Fleur De Lis piped. Like I said, you will finish one with a guideline and then with a template, and then an entire row without any guideline. So finish this, take approval, and then you could do the other two rows together and show all the three rows together as the second stage of approval, and then you would have finished making the Fleur De Lis. I'll meet you in the next piping practice lesson.